Sure. Here's a natural-sounding professional YouTube review script for the Caterpillar D11 2025, presented in a scrambled conversational style without headings. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly massive and impressive, the 2025 Caterpillar D11. This machine is not just a bulldozer, it's a statement in the world of heavy machinery. And believe me, the upgrades in this model are hard to ignore. First off, the look. Right out of the gate, the glossy, ultra-shiny yellow finish gives the D11 a bold, modern presence. It's not. Often you see a construction beast with showroom polish, but this one demands attention whether it's on the job site or being shown off indoors. Now let's talk power. The D11 2025 comes equipped with a refined, high-efficiency engine that offers both torque and fuel optimization. It's designed to push more material while burning less fuel, and that's something any operator or site manager will appreciate. It's a win for productivity and sustainability. Comfort and control have also taken a huge leap. The redesigned operator cabin is spacious, quieter, and equipped with state-of-the-art technology. The control systems are more intuitive, with touchscreen interfaces, real-time diagnostics, and advanced automation options that help reduce fatigue and increase precision. And speaking of automation, Caterpillar has leaned into smart technology. The D11 now includes built-in terrain mapping, auto blade functions, and remote control capabilities. This isn't just about moving dirt anymore, it's about smart, data-driven performance. Maintenance has also been simplified. Easier access, panels, longer service intervals, and smarter alerts make upkeep more efficient than ever before. It's clear that Caterpillar designed this machine not just for raw performance, but for long-term value and uptime. Whether you're in mining, large-scale construction, or heavy-duty demolition, the 2025 D11 is built to handle it all. It's massive, yes, but also precise and engineered to meet the modern demands of the industry. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about the new design and tech upgrades? Would you take the D11 2025 to your next big project? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more deep dives into the world's most powerful machines. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want this adapted into a voiceover script format or split into segments for editing.